Dun, 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 dun. It's multiplying fractions time. Yay! Alrighty. So I know when you were in lower grades, and multiplying and dividing was introduced, it was more complicated than adding and subtracting. It was this big brain melting process for you. But now that you're in grade 8, multiplying fractions, so easy. Way easier than adding or subtracting or comparing sizes and everything else like that, because you don't have to find common denominators. You can just multiply them. Here it is. You ready? Get your brain sitting down so you don't fall over. So you write the fractions down, you put the multiplication symbol between them, and you multiply the numerators. 3 times 4, 12. You multiply the denominators. 9 times 8, 72. You put it in lowest terms. I recognize both of these are factors of 12, so divide by 12 and I get 1/6. That's it. Easy, eh? It's the easiest thing in fractions. If you didn't recognize that these are both factors of 12, you could just do divide by 2, divide by 2. Look at it again. Oh, I can go lower. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Oh, I can go lower. Divide by 3, divide by 3, and then you would get 1/6. Okay, so it'd be more steps. The bigger the number that you can divide by, the better. It just means less steps, but you can still do the same thing. Divide by your prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, so next example: 7/5 times 8/3. Multiply the numerators. 8 times 7, 56. Multiply the denominators. 5 times 3, 15. Improper fraction. How many groups of 15 can I get in a 56? 3 whole groups, which would be 45, and 11 are left over. 11's a prime number. 15 is not divisible by it. Done! Yay! So this one, 2 1/4 multiplied by 3 2/5. So I did say whenever you get a mixed number in this entire unit, first step is always going to be putting it into an improper fraction. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus another one is 9 over 4. 5 times 3 is 15, plus another 2 is 17 over 5. 9 times 17, running that through the calculator, 153. 4 times 5, running that through the old gray matter, is 20. How many groups of 20 go into 153? Well, you could use your calculator, or let's estimate. 2 groups of 20 would be 40, and then we can just keep going. Times 3 would be 60. Keep going, and I end up with 2 times 7 is 14. So that would be 140. And I'm not going to get 160 in there. So I know I get 7 whole groups. So take 140 out of that. 13 left over. 13 is a prime number. 20 is not divisible by it. Done. That's it. It's honestly the simplest thing you'll be doing in the whole fractions unit. Okay. And I know you can see there's another tab up here, and you're super excited, and you should be, because it's a good one. A farmer had 396 cows in his field, but when he rounded them up at night, he had 400. Oh, it's like the loaves and fish, except they're cows. Alrighty. Have a good one. Enjoy the homework. Bye for now.